We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The North American Aerospace Defense has detected 8 nuclear missiles headed for the following locations: Seattle, Washington; District of Columbia, Sacramento, California; New York City, New York; Miami, Florida; Los Angeles, California; San Francisco, California; New Orleans, Louisiana. All residences within a 250-mile radius of the impacted areas should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a radioactive chemical of nuclear materials. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death.